Hey guys, for today's video, I just want to show you how to make my own version of lechon belly. So, ang sikreto ko pala niyan is to put lemon para mawala yung langsi at saka yung amoy niya. And then, of course, our seasonings at saka maraming nilagay ko sa loob niya. And then, fast forward kasi nahirapan ako magtali. And then, ayan na ang ating lechon belly. Ready na siya. And napakaganda ng ating lechon belly, mga guys. Ayan, so, I am going to put the lechon belly on the oven. And so, yeah, here in the US, usually we were using oven instead of the charcoal. And I'll be cooking this for 3 hours, just 3 hours, for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So for the secret for more crispy here is to brush it with regular fresh milk. Yeah, fresh milk. And then, so yeah, after 3 hours, luto na po yung ating lechon belly. And yan, napakaganda. Ayan. Tignan nyo naman guys, napaka-crispy. Ayan. So, 3 hours lang siyang niloto for 350 degrees sa oven. And then, yeah. Ayan, so crispy. If you can hear that, it's very crispy. It's crispy in the outside and it's very juicy on the inside. Ayan. Ayan. So, that's for our dinner. Yeah. And it was so good. And it was so crispy and juicy. Ayan. So, I hope everyone is having a good New Year's and Christmas. So, I am spending my New Year's here in my sister in Florida. So, we decided to cook a lechon belly. Ayan. So, we use 8 pounds of the lechon belly. Ayan. So, I'm starting cutting off the lechon belly because we are going to eat dinner. Ayan. See? Di ba napakaganda ng lechon belly natin? Ayan. So, ready na siya. Let's eat, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you keep on supporting me. And thank you so much for always supporting me. Ayan. Oops, my baby's wasting the rice. Yes, my baby loves rice. Like mommy. Because rice is life. Ayan.